Howdy.
Oh, the Himalayan.
Indeed.
There's one I think we've seen.
Oh.
How's the bike cope?
Sorry?
How's the bike cope with this?
Fine so far.
Good.
I'm getting a bit stiff now, mine, but not too bad. This must be the most awkward one. Thanks all. See ya. Well, cup of coffee, natter, a run out. That's an half an hour break, so we've had now 2 hours and 5 minutes of breaks, if I have added it correctly, which is a little bit more than the minimum. Now it's Ross on Y. I have got I was not intending to use the motorway, so I've got a different route, but now we're back into almost into the land that I know where I'm going without a map just about. At least once I get to the other side, Gloucester certainly. So as I gained quite a bit of time on the fast roads before, like the A1M, I think I'm going to try the motorway a bit, just a junction or two. Touch wood, I should have plenty of time. It's just under 3 hours, 2 hours 52 left, and I'm struggling already. Right, let's see what I said. Right, continue through Stroud. Let's go that way. Yeah, go on. We'll make it up as we go along, like we've been doing it all the time. But Nailsworth, pretty place. There may be some dew on the lens at times, if not already, because it's cool, but it's warming up already. It's 5:09, so coming up to 2 hours 50 minutes left of the rally. Well, folks, I just did a lovely view of the River Severn, I think, amongst other nice things. This is very nice, isn't it? A bit of follow your nose, a bit of map, and there, that's the Severn. Beautiful. The thing is though, I've got to get the other side of that, which means Gloucester. So a bit of twisties, a bit of motorway, a bit of A38. And according to the chap man in the last control, it's a hard 25 miles this. But it's a lovely one, look at that. Better not look too much, I'll end up going in a field. Sun coming up nicely now. Here comes the sun, do 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 do. Ross on Y. There's a few one-way systems here, so I'm going to try and make sure I know which way I'm going. What have we got? Yep, straight into the one-way system, and it's round to the right. I think it might be next left, but we'll see. A few people about early today in Ross. Some nice buildings. Church Street. Okay, let's have a look. Y Street. Turn right. Right again, then left. Last one of the standard controls. I bet I've got it done already. Let's have another look. Next left, apparently. Oh no. Well, not too far away. Only one here. Oh.
Morning.
Morning.
Alright, morning.
I will be in about an hour and a half.
That was true.
Right, if you can do the signing there, please.
Ta.
Yeah, that's it. Excellent.
Nailsworth.
Everything okay? Going well? Had a
So far,
good day? Yeah, good.
just one more to go.
Excellent.
I'm going to have a breather. I've got a couple of hours, I think, to get to Worcester, which is probably over twice the amount of time required. What we got on the clock? It says 6:07. I got till 8 o'clock. Well, 8 o'clock's too late, but 7:59. 5:32. I've done about 542 miles altogether.